SSL certificate is not optional anymore. It's a strict requirement for security, speed, and your Google rankings. You will find that most hosting companies charge you for this, but at Rovity, you get an A plus graded SSL certificate absolutely free. Usually, our system installs these SSL certificates automatically once your name servers point to us. But if you don't want to wait, let's force the installation to happen right now. Inside your direct admin dashboard, click SSL certificates. First, you need to make sure you have selected the correct domain from your list of hosted domains. Now, click on the tab that says Get Automatic Certificate from Acme Provider. You can leave the default settings exactly as they are, they work perfectly. The only thing you need to do is activate the wildcard option. This is crucial because it secures your main domain and every future subdomain you will create. Then click on Save. It will take some time to process, and that's it. You have just protected your entire domain for free with an A plus grade SSL certificate.